Hello everyone. I understand that feeling when the faces of your loved ones or the words on a page begin to fade into a grey fog. Please do not panic or lose hope just yet. Many people tell you that this is simply the unavoidable rule of aging at 70 years old. But as a specialist, I am here to tell you a different truth. Sometimes your eyes are not just getting old. They are actually starving for nutrients. We often mistake nutritional deficiency for permanent decline. Your eyes have a specific center called the macula that requires very specific fuel to stay sharp. When this area lacks protection, the world loses its sharpness. It is like looking through a dirty window that simply needs a thorough internal cleaning. Today we will explore how to feed your vision and restore that lost clarity using simple, natural building blocks found right in your kitchen pantry. Your vision is your bridge to the world and your family. Let us learn how to keep that bridge strong and clear for many years. Imagine being able to read your favorite morning newspaper again without struggling or needing to use a heavy magnifying glass for every single word. To understand the solution, we must first look at the macula. This tiny spot at the center of your retina acts as your high-definition sensor. Although it is as small as a grain of sand, it is responsible for 90% of your central, sharp, and detailed color vision today. I call the primary cause of blurry vision light hunger. It happens when the protective pigment layer in your macula begins to thin out significantly. Just like a plant wilting without water, your visual cells wither when they lack the protective shield needed to filter out harmful, burning light rays. Without this shield, everyday sunlight and digital blue light act like fire, slowly burning away the delicate cells that allow you to see clearly. This scattering of light is what creates that foggy, hazy sensation. You aren't losing your sight, you are losing your ability to focus incoming light. The good news is that this protective layer can be rebuilt. We just need to provide the body with the specific molecules it needs most. Once you understand that your eyes are simply hungry for light-filtering pigments, you can stop worrying about aging and start focusing on deep nutrition. The secret weapons are a group of nutrients called carotenoids. Specifically, we are looking for two powerful compounds, lutein and also zeaxanthin. Think of lutein and zeaxanthin as internal sunglasses. They travel through your blood and settle right into the macula to form a physical barrier. Just as sunglasses protect you from the outside, these nutrients protect you from the inside by absorbing high-energy blue light before it reaches your cells. By strengthening this internal shield, you reduce glare and improve contrast. This makes it much easier to see objects against a bright, sunny background. A thick pigment layer means sharp vision, while a thin layer leads to the blurriness you are experiencing. Your body cannot make these pigments alone. Since your body doesn't produce them, you must consume them. This is the only way to replenish the ink in your eye's high-definition printer. Let's start with the champions of eye health, dark leafy. Greens like kale and spinach are absolute powerhouses of the pigment known as lutein. Kale contains one of the highest concentrations of lutein on the planet. I like to call it the building block for your macula's defense. Spinach is another fantastic source. By eating these greens daily, you are essentially sending a fresh shipment of repair materials directly to your eyes. Now for the second part of the shield, zeaxanthin. You can find this golden nutrient in abundance in sweet yellow corn and orange, bell peppers. Don't forget egg yolks. The deeper the orange color of the yolk, the more zeaxanthin it contains to help sharpen your central visual focus. Here is a crucial professional secret. Carotenoids are fat-soluble. This means they need a little bit of healthy fat to be absorbed into your system. If you eat your greens plain, you might only absorb a fraction of the nutrients. Adding olive oil can increase absorption by several 100%. By simply adding a drizzle of oil or some avocado to your salad, you ensure that the internal sunglasses are built much faster and stronger. I want you to try a 21-day strategy. It takes about 3 weeks of consistent nutrition for the pigment levels in your eyes to rise. Start by adding just 1 serving of dark greens to your lunch every day. It is a small habit that leads to a massive biological change. During these 3 weeks, also remember to wear physical sunglasses outside. This protects the existing pigments while you are busy building up the new ones. Also, remember to blink more often when looking at screens. It sounds simple, but it keeps the surface of your eye moist and ready for light. Consistency is the key to success. Your eyes didn't lose their clarity overnight, and they need a little time and steady fuel to recover. After 21 days, many patients report that colors seem more vivid, and the annoying glare from night driving starts to fade away significantly. This is not a miracle. It is simple biology. You are giving your body the exact raw materials it needs to repair its own sensors. Think about the joy of seeing the fine details on a grandchild's face again, or being able to enjoy a sunset in all its glory. 70 is not the time to accept the darkness. It is a time to enjoy the fruits of your life with a clear and bright perspective. If you found this helpful, please share your progress or ask any questions in the comments. I am here to support your journey to health. Take the first step today. Go to your kitchen, find those greens and start feeding your vision. You deserve to see the world clearly again. Thank you for joining me today. Stay healthy, stay hopeful, and most importantly, keep your eyes open to the beauty all around you. Remember, the darker and richer the color of your food, the more power it has to protect your precious sense of sight from damage. In addition to nutrition, gentle relaxation can help. Reducing tension in the muscles around your eyes allows for better blood flow and nutrient delivery. Every bite of kale you take is a direct investment in your future vision. Your digestive system is the factory that supplies your eyes. The goal is to move away from relying on external tools and focus on strengthening your internal biological capacity to see and process light. If you find it hard to eat large salads, try blending your greens into a delicious morning smoothie. It is fast, efficient, and very effective. Your eyes are the windows to your soul and your connection to the world. Treat them with the care and the respect they truly deserve. I have seen many people in their 70s regain their confidence just by changing what they put on their dinner plates every single evening. Time will pass anyway, so why not spend the next 3 weeks building a habit that could save your vision for the next 20 years? Sharing a meal with family is one of life's greatest pleasures. Seeing their smiles clearly makes those moments even more precious and truly unforgettable. Omega-3 fatty acids from fish are also great partners for lutein. They keep the eye's cellular membranes flexible and ready to receive those pigments. By understanding the science of light, you become the guardian of your own health. You no longer have to be a victim of aging. Small adjustments to your digital devices can also help. Reducing blue light emission gives your eyes a much-needed break throughout the busy day. Cooking your greens slightly can actually make lutein more accessible for your body to absorb. A light steam is perfect for maximizing your results. I am proud of you for taking the time to learn this. Knowledge is the first step toward a life filled with color and clarity. Let your internal shield grow stronger every day. With every healthy meal, you are reinforcing the walls of your visual fortress against the light. While nutrition is key, always continue your regular checkups. This combined approach ensures that you are covered from every possible angle of health. Next time you go shopping, look for the most vibrant colors. The deep reds, oranges, and greens are the markers of high carotenoid content. Protect your golden point. It is your most valuable asset for experiencing the beauty of the world around you with absolute precision and joy. Vision allows us to capture memories. Let's make sure your camera is always clean and focused so you can enjoy every single precious moment. You have the power to change your story. Aging is mandatory, but losing your clear vision doesn't have to be part of that story. A new day is dawning for your eye health. Start your 21-day journey this morning and witness the world transform before your very eyes. Trust in the process of natural healing. Your body is a miraculous machine that knows how to repair itself when given the right tools. This one bite could be the start of a whole new way of seeing. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's incredibly powerful for your eyes. I am excited for you to experience the difference. Clarity is waiting for you. Just a few healthy meals away from where you are. May your golden years be filled with bright light and sharp details. You have worked hard to see this far. Don't stop now. Just like this plant, your vision can thrive. Again, feed it, protect it, and watch it flourish in the beautiful light of every day. Stay hydrated as well. Water helps move those vital pigments from your digestive system all the way up to your waiting retinas. I truly believe that the best views of your life are still ahead of you. Let's make sure you can see them clearly. Every detail matters. From the small drawings of your grandkids to the fine print on a map, clarity brings life back into focus. Join our community for more health secrets. We are all on this journey together, supporting each other to live our healthiest, brightest lives. The light is coming back. Don't let the fog of the past hold you back from the bright, clear future that you truly deserve. Goodbye for now. And remember, your eyes are the light of your life. Keep them shining bright every single day from now on. Thank you for watching this special presentation. May your vision be as clear as your heart is full of joy and happiness today.